Okay, what we're going to be doing today is testing these injectors on a Citroen DS4 2018. So what you can do is start off by testing the resistance of each injector and comparing them to each other. So to start with, just disconnect the first injector by pulling up this orange tab, and then you should be able to lever it off. So I've just got two crocodile clips there connected to the injector, and you can see we've just got about half an ohm of resistance there. Anything this low you can expect to be some sort of pulse width modulated. This is so the coil of the injector doesn't burn out. Anything over 10 ohms you can expect to be of the saturated type. So with the ignition on, you should get nearly 5 volts going to the pink wire. And you should also get nearly 5 volts going to the other wire. You can see that the injector is initially supplied with around 40 volts to get the injector open, and then it is pulse width modulated to keep it open, and that's to prevent it from overheating. So you can compare all the injectors to make sure they have a similar pattern. Okay, so what we can do now is connect an amp clamp or current clamp to one side of the injector. And with the other channel of the oscilloscope, we're just going to back probe the other wire. So the voltage is on channel 1 and the current clamp is on channel 2. So you can see there is a voltage drop there as the current ramps up to open the injector, and then there's another voltage spike just before it enters its pulse width modulation phase. And then as the injector is closing, it induces a voltage which is that other large voltage spike, which is the back EMF. Now what you notice is there is a current on the second voltage spike there, but not on the first one. So the reason you get a voltage at an injector but no current flowing is because these injectors are connected in pairs, so 1 and 3, 2 and 4, and so they are both supplied with voltage, but only one is grounded at any one time. So the way we can prove that is by using a knock sensor. We can put that to the injector and see the vibrations of when that injector comes on, and you'll see that it have voltage, but there won't be any vibration to it. So the first voltage spike you can see there has a corresponding vibration, which means it is opening, but then there's a second voltage spike and there's no vibration there, which means it's not opening, and that's because that second voltage spike is from the other injector.